What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back. It's 2025, guys. It's 2025 and we're currently sitting on a beach in St. Thomas and the views are amazing. Let me show you the views. So yeah, we're currently sitting on the beach, but guys, we literally are so excited about what 2025 has in store. What I mean by that is, y'all, our videos are taking off. Okay, so we want to talk about how YouTube is pushing small creators like us. And in December, we saw the fruits of that labor. Tell them how many views we got on that one video, babe.
So guys, we made it, guys. We at the 100K views and more and counting. But we finally did it, guys. Like we always said, you know, we just want to hit that one video. So 1K. You know what I mean? Just solidify what we've been doing. And it's funny, it's like the video that we wouldn't even think would have been V1, you know. But yeah, we put our heart into all the videos. That was probably one of the most authentic videos. It was very transparent. My baby girl got hurt, you know what I mean? And during the moment, we captured it and we shared a few clippings of it with you guys. And from the feedback and the love and just for you guys taking the time out to watch it, we really appreciate it. So thank you guys so much for getting us to that 1K. So let's keep going for 2025. We hope that more videos go there. We got a lot more things to show you guys and we're going to keep showing you guys. So we just want to say thank you and let's go for 2025. All right.
I'm seriously still in shock. So let's peel back the onion a little bit, okay? 100K in 3 weeks. 100K views in 3 weeks. We have been on YouTube for how long? 6 years?
Since 2018.
Yeah.
Like started, but like, yeah.
Yeah, so we've been on YouTube, call it 7 years. We're in 2025?
We started in January.
2018.
Yeah,
so call it 7 years, exactly. And it took us 7 years to get a 100K videos. Now we have videos that get to like 50, probably 2. We have some that are a lot that are over 10K, but it wasn't until year 5 that we realized exactly what we need to be doing. And I'll give you 2 tips. You need to be authentic and you need to be inspiring. So if you're not inspiring someone, then, you know, that could jeopardize views. Or if you're not truly being your authentic self, like coming on the channel and putting out what is on your heart, that what you believe in, that is what people want to see. They want to be able to connect with you. There's a story. So Tananya, she's a Jamaican vlogger, YouTuber, and she normally does a lot of sit-down videos. And over December, she decided to do 10 Days of Christmas series. And it's the first time that I've been able to see the behind the scenes of who she is as a person. Like she showed her family, her sister. She has a special needs sister. And I now get what the message that people are trying to say, because I felt connected to her. Like I literally saw that reality. And so that was the epiphany for me. We got to make sure in 2025, and if you're a small creator, make sure your content is authentic.
Yes.
It feels touchable.
Yes. And one thing I'm going to add that I think once we started applying it, you know, I believe in letting things take their process and putting in that work, but being informative.
Yeah.
I think before we was putting out content and we were trying to show you guys what we were doing, but it wasn't a lot of explanation on what was going on. It wasn't a lot of description. You know what I'm saying? If you guys were interested in doing it, and that's another feedback that we've gotten too. Not only do people watch the videos, but a lot of people actually apply the stuff that we put in, or just literally go out and mimic the stuff that they see us do. But that's based on the fact that we gave them information on how to do it, how much it will cost. You know what I mean? Stuff like that. So if you're doing anything, being creative, don't gatekeep. You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
Put the information out. You know what I'm saying? People are going to appreciate it.
Love that. So you heard it. Hubby said, be informative, be authentic, and be inspiring. Yes. So authenticity is the same as relatable.
Yes.
So those are the 3 things that's going to take you far in 2025. And that's what we wish that we knew when we first started. Now, people did give us feedback, but you know, when you have a vision for something, you're like, well, this is how I see it. This is what I want. And over time, it transitioned naturally into what it's supposed to be. So we're not people who promote like super fast growth. We're all about steady growth while building a community. So if you're interested in steady growth that builds a community, That's what we're all about. And we love to showcase our travels whenever we do them. And at the core, we love to show us making it, because that's what we truly are. And hubby came up with this name years ago. So let's talk about making it with the Matthews, because I was just like, let me just show the pretty glamorous stuff. And that truly isn't what our name signifies. It signifies that we're making it through life, and we're showing you the ups, the downs, the left, the right.
Yes.
That's what that is.
Yeah, which is what I'm saying is kind of like true to itself, that a video that was an unfortunate part of our life. Like, as a parent, as a father, as a protector of your child, it was scary, because to me it was serious when surgery became a play. I've got injured as a kid. Me and wife, we were just talking about.
Where they finally let the plane go? Guys, this plane has been sitting on the runway.
About what? 4 planes land, about 3 took off.
Yeah.
That plane go.
Like, what was wrong with the plane?
And that's the stuff that pissed me off. I saw that they let some people sit on the plane, what, it was 5 hours? Was it Jamaica or someplace like that?
Babe, they were sitting there. You even said there's nobody on the plane.
Because I'm like, they do that to people. That made no sense.
Why
let the plane go out in the first place? Unless
they had weather issues where they're going. You were talking about what happened in the video, and
yeah, so it was a very unfortunate part of our lives. And as a father and protector, like I was saying, and then when surgery became involved, it was like, this is real serious. I was saying, me and wifey was talking about how we got so many broken parts in our body just kind of healed when we got hurt as kids, and we never took that surgery level. So when you had surgery, but anyway, I was saying about being authentic and showing the trueness in your life and not just the glamour and glitz, because everybody wants that, so you think that's what attracts people. But what builds your community and really makes people connect with you is when they feel like they see themselves in you, or they can inspire you to do what you're doing, or you give them information to help to what they're trying to do, stuff like that. So it was one of our most vulnerable moments that we decided to just share a few clippings with that happened to be the video. Not the vacations, not the skyline views and the clear blue waters. Like, that's what I'm trying to say. Like, yeah, we do the vacation vlogs and we love doing it. And we love showing you guys with it and taking you guys there with us. But then we also try to bring you guys into our lives and see us as people. You know? And it's one of those moments where that's the video that took off for us. So that's where we talk about the transparency and really being authentic to yourself and just being true. Because this is a space for you too,
Yeah.
Like, everybody's trying to make it on YouTube or do something, but it's not like you have a script and like, this is what it takes to make it. Yeah, you should be consistent. There's certain better times to pose, thumbnail, heading, all that stuff is true, just like anything else. But you get to actually do something totally the way you want to do it.
Yes, it's an art.
You know what I'm saying?
This is your artist space, and you're basically telling a story, captivate people, but also to help to change people and encourage them to live out loud, encourage them to see different things, encourage them to think in a new way. And that's what I'm truly excited about with this platform, is that we get to curate a story, an art form, so to speak, so that other people can benefit from it. And the only thing that I would want to do more of in 2025 is just be a little bit more consistent and timely with the videos. We work full time. So as we talk about making it, we both work full time. Our daughter pretty much is also a full-time job because she has so many different things that, she's a part of, and we're always having to go there, here, and everywhere. And YouTube is also like a full-time job. We also have businesses. So there's a lot of things that's moving, and maybe in the future we could probably consider an editor. Would you ever consider using an editor?
I mean, I guess, because at this point, footage and what you're doing, like we were talking about, being authentic, that's really what people are seeing. So it's not about big fancy transitions, you know what I mean? It's about the information you get.
Yes. Oh, actually, I'm glad you pointed that out. My mother recently said, just start putting the videos out. Don't worry about your edit. Don't worry about your storytelling, which he taught me how to edit, okay? So he's the true editor, and I have come to love the art form of it, of telling the story.
You all been seeing them videos, right? She been holding shit down. I'm not gonna front. You know what I mean? Like I look forward. Like I know she'd be like, "How do you ever edit?" I'm like, "Man, I'm waiting to see what you doing over there." Like, you know what I mean? So we'll talk. Like she has definitely held it down. And I know you guys know because I see the comments. You guys be like, "Oh, great work, great edit." I feel like I'm there with you. That's her. She's been holding it down straight up.
Yeah, but your girl, I want to put out more content because we have content from 2025 stacked and not edited. And we're not doing that in 2026. We're just putting out the content. So if you notice a shift in storytelling or the way that it is, it's still going to be quality. It's going to have information.
It's going to be authentic.
It's going to be authentic. But it may not be the most fancy edit, okay? So just preparing you for that. But that's what we want to do as we go into 2025. And we just want to thank you guys for rolling with us, for riding with us, and continue to share us with your friends because we're probably 50 subscribers away from 7K. And I'm celebrating that.
Yeah.
I'm celebrating that.
So we celebrate every single one of you. Take the time out to subscribe, like our videos, watch our videos, share our moments with us.
Yeah.
So we celebrate all. And the more people you bring into this community, you know how family is, man. You know what I mean? You see how our family is. You know, it's just more fun times, more opportunity to do things. You know, so keep the love going.
Yeah. So thank you guys, and we'll catch you guys in another video. Let us know if you want to see more authentic videos like this as we sit and enjoy the views in beautiful St. Thomas. We're here for another 4 days, so it's quick and easy. I'm going to just put this up on YouTube right now, so make sure you like, make sure you
subscribe,
and share it with your friends and family.
And hit that notification bell, because if you like me, man, sometimes I don't always be paying attention. You got a lot of stuff going on, so just leave it. Oh, Matthews just dropped a video.
Yes.
Might be going off a lot, so just turn the volume down. So put on vibrate. Let's do it. 2025.
Let's do it. We'll see you guys in the next video.